Hold on tight, because today we're unveiling the ultra-rare treasures hiding in your pocket, the 1979 D. Anthony dollar and a super rare 2013 $1 note. These aren't just regular bills, they could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even more. Stay with us as we reveal the jaw-dropping value and history of these priceless finds. The history behind the 2013 USA $1 bill. The 2013 $1 note is part of the larger series of U.S. currency introduced in 1963, when the Federal Reserve notes came into widespread circulation. However, the 2013 version specifically falls into a category of bills with fascinating backstory elements that contribute to their value. The U.S. Treasury continues to print these notes, and although $1 bills are not generally seen as collectible, certain printing errors, serial numbers, or historical events can turn them into rare treasures. What makes a 2013 $1 bill rare? So, what's the big deal with the 2013 $1 note? Well, there are several features and characteristics that can skyrocket the value of this bill into the thousands or even higher. Unique serial numbers. If your 2013 dollar bill has a sequential or unique serial number pattern, like 00000001 or 123456788, it can be highly valuable to collectors. Some bills have serial numbers that are particularly memorable, or rare patterns that are especially sought after. Error notes. Printing errors are one of the most significant factors that contribute to a bill's value. Imagine a $1 bill with misprints, doubled serial numbers, or missing features. These can make the bill extremely rare, turning it into a must-have for collectors. Some misprints have sold for hundreds, even thousands, of dollars. Star notes. A star note is a special type of currency that was printed to replace bills that were damaged during the printing process. These bills will have a star symbol at the end of their serial number. The 2013 star notes can be highly valuable if they're in good condition, and if you're lucky enough to find one, you could be sitting on a small fortune. Condition matters. The grade or condition of the bill is also a major factor in its value. A 2013 $1 bill in mint condition, without folds, tears, or stains, will be worth significantly more than one that has seen better days. The difference between a well-preserved note and one that's been through the ringer can sometimes mean thousands of dollars. How valuable can these bills get? So, you might be wondering, how much can a rare 2013 $1 bill actually be worth? Let's break it down. Regular bills with unique serial numbers or star notes could fetch anywhere from $100 to $1,000 depending on demand and condition. Error notes, depending on the severity of the mistake, could push the value into the thousands. A rare misprint or bill with major errors could easily sell for $5,000 or more at auction. Highly sought-after serial number patterns or star notes that are in pristine condition can see prices anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 or even higher. If you ever find yourself in possession of one of these exceptional bills, it's worth taking the time to have it appraised by a professional currency dealer or to have it auctioned through reputable channels. The market for rare currency is always evolving, and you just might find that your 2013 $1 note is worth much more than you ever imagined. Conclusion. As you can see, the world of rare currency is full of exciting possibilities. A simple 2013 $1 bill, with the right characteristics, could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars. It's all about recognizing the potential hidden value in your pocket. So, before you dismiss that lonely dollar in your wallet, take a closer look. It just might be your ticket to a small fortune. The history of the 1979 D. Anthony $1 coin. Before we dive into the thrilling value, let's take a step back and look at the fascinating history behind the 1979 D. Anthony $1 coin. In 1979, the U.S. Mint released a brand new dollar coin designed to replace the old paper dollar notes. This coin was named after Susanna B. Anthony, a pioneering figure in the women's suffrage movement. The decision to honor Anthony was groundbreaking because it marked the first time a woman's image appeared on U.S. coinage in modern history. What makes the 1979 D. Anthony $1 coin so rare? You might be wondering, what makes a simple 1979 D coin worth so much? Well, the key to its value lies in the specifics. The 1979 D coin, although not rare at first glance, has some fascinating details that could make it extremely valuable to collectors. Here's what to look out for. The famous wide rim and close rim varieties. The 1979 D Anthony dollar was produced in two distinct types, the wide rim and the close rim varieties. The difference is subtle, but it can make a huge difference in value. The wide rim coins have a wider space between the edge of the coin and the rim of the lettering, while the close rim has less space. Collectors love these differences, and a wide rim 1979 D coin can be highly valuable, fetching prices that could reach hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Proof coins. While most 1979 D Anthony dollar coins were circulated, some were minted as proof coins, coins that are specially made for collectors with a mirror-like finish. These proof coins are often worth significantly more than their regular counterparts, sometimes climbing into the thousands of dollars depending on their quality, rarity, and condition. Errors and misprints. As with any coin, errors can dramatically increase its value. A 1979 D Anthony dollar with a minting error, such as double strikes, misaligned dies, or wrong planchets, can be worth a fortune. These error coins are highly coveted by collectors, and they can easily reach values from $500 to $5,000 or more, depending on the severity and rarity of the error. Condition is everything. The grade or condition of the coin is also a huge factor in determining its value. A coin that has been well preserved, with no scratches, dings, or wear, will always be worth more than a heavily circulated one. Coins in mint condition, especially those graded by professional organizations like the PCGS or NGC, can see their value soar into the thousands of dollars. How valuable can a 1979 D Anthony $1 coin get? So, just how much can your 1979 D Anthony coin be worth? Let's break it down. Regular 1979 D Anthony dollars in good condition can still fetch $10 to $50 depending on their state and the market. The wide rim variety can push the value up to $100 to $500, and in the highest grades, it could even go for much more. If you ever find yourself in possession of one of these exceptional bills, it's worth taking the time to have it appraised by a professional currency dealer or to have it auctioned through reputable channels. The market for rare currency is always evolving, and you just might find that your 2013 $1 note is worth much more than you ever imagined. Conclusion. As you can see, the world of rare currency is full of exciting possibilities. A simple 2013 $1 bill, with the right characteristics, could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars. It's all about recognizing the potential hidden value in your pocket. So, before you dismiss that lonely dollar in your wallet, take a closer look. It just might be your ticket to a small fortune.